Hi, this is a quick tour of the Teams PSTN billing module of Teamwork Analytics. The PSTN billing module is specifically for Microsoft calling plans and Microsoft PSTN audio conferencing. It takes all your organisation's usage information or call detail records and allows you to slice and dice them in Power BI by AD attribute. So for example, country or department. It's been written because many organisations have a requirement to bill back to the country or to the department, but by default Microsoft's usage only gives you global usage and UPN of the individual users. What's particularly useful is being able to look at plan usage in calling plans, so to make sure that you're not hitting your limits of your calling plans and going into consumption credits, and also to look at call charges. So even on calling plans or on all-you-can-eat consumption for PSTN conferencing, you'll still be using communication credits in some scenarios. And it's important to understand who's using them and in what scenarios they're being used, and if necessary, bill them back to the relevant country or department. So looking down the reports, we have PSTN calling plan usage, which is looking at our different calling plans and their relative usage. We have trends on calling plans. So that's our overarching trend about, are we hitting our minutes limits? Are we under our minutes limits? PSTN bill by company is an example of reporting by a subset of AD. So in this case, the organisation has one single tenant, but multiple companies in the same tenant. So we're using the AD company attribute to slice and dice the bill. For example, if I look at Teams X10, I can see their subset of the Teams usage and their subset of the costs for communications credits. Call charge summary looks specifically at anything that costs money, so ignores all the inclusive minutes and just looks at cost. Calls by user allows us to drill down to the individual user. And conference charge summary and conference charge by user is the same thing, but for PSTN conferencing rather than calling plans. You can get this deployed by going to AppSource and searching for Teamwork Analytics billing. It comes with some demo data. If you'd like to connect it to your backend data, contact us and we can set up the Azure backend and SQL to allow it to pull in your billing information and get you to have a real feel hands-on with how your calling plans and communication credits costs are stacking up. If you'd like to find out more, just contact us.